why they do this, but for me it's really hectic. Hello people, what's up people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So friends, finally we have completed our 4th semester and it's time to leave this hostel as we will get another new hostel. So let's go. So basically what we have to do is we have to pack all the things in that cupboard, if you can see, and we will keep it in dormitory of, wait, let me remember the hostel name, Apna Chala hostel. Yes, we will keep all the things there. So yeah, this is it for this. Done with this hostel now. The cardboard and these are the clothes, तो मैं इनको भी arrange करूँगी. Let's go, let's pack. अभी थोड़ा rush में हूँ because my ticket is tomorrow evening, and today we have internal and also we have some sorts of things in the department, and tomorrow we have external. So yeah, I need to pack my things really fast. So yeah, let's go. And we have this bag. We will pack one more cardboard, okay? Chalo. I have done almost with my packings, but by leaving here it feels like कुछ नहीं है, but while packing it seems like बहुत कुछ है. Still I feel like इस 2 कपड़े में क्या ही आया. And also I have this blanket, इसके लिए मुझे एक अलग से कार्डबोर्ड रखना पड़ेगा. Yes, it's so hectic. It feels like I'm going new home. I'm leaving this home. Yes, I'm leaving this home. I'm going for something new. I don't want to leave this hostel because it has, क्या अच्छा है इस हॉस्टल में नंदिनी? इस हॉस्टल में क्या अच्छा है? टेरेस, यस. सबसे बेस्ट यहाँ का सनसेट पॉइंट, समझे, बहुत अच्छा है. लाइक जस्ट गो टू टॉप ऑफ द, मेरे पास कुछ क्लिप्स है, मैं डालूंगी, आप लोग देखना. इट्स रियली हैज़ अ गुड सनसेट व्यू, लाइक वाओ, एट द टॉप ऑफ दैट. एंड या इट वाज गुड. तो चलो जल्दी चलते हैं, जल्दी करते हैं. एंड बैक स्टोरी, something related to Ganga we will talk about later on. I really wanted to talk about this, but yeah, bye bye. I talk too much, I know that. I don't know about books, what I will do, because already my notebooks are completed, so no use of taking, but okay, I will get back. So yeah, I will take at least semester 4 paper, like all the notes with me, because you never know what things will happen. Packing is the biggest thing, I think. But yeah, don't judge me on the basis of the mess, because अभी mess करेंगे तब ये खाली होगा. And I forgot to give you the room tour, ये पहले कैसे दिखता था. अब बहुत लेट हो चुका है तो skip करो. ऐसा कुछ हमारा रूम था. तो ये वाला जो किया गया वो सीनियर्स ने किया, हमने नहीं किया है. So we are almost done with the clothes. Now it's time with cosmetic products like this. तो मेरे पास ये परफ्यूम है. ऐसे मैं जज करूँ कि कुछ ये है, ये सब फ्री में मेरे को मिलता है. नॉट फ्री बट हम खरीद के देते तो फ्री है तो मुझे. And you can use this. I love this. It's like for cleaning your lens and everything. It's not a promotion. Yeah, guys, create your own happiness, okay? Yeah, yes. ये मैंने खरीदा था संडे मार्केट से. आई थिंक इट वॉज 20 or 30 रुपीज़, आई गेस. आई डोंट रिमेंबर. नन्ही साथ ही खरीदा था ना. ये भी मैंने खरीदा था. मेरा एक्चुअली जब मैं इसे खरीदा मेरे बाल थोड़े बड़े थे. फिर जब तक इसे इस्तेमाल करने का टाइम है मैंने बाल कटवा लिया. ओके फाइन. Already 11, so after 1 hour I will try to wrap up it and we'll go dress ourselves. We'll go to department. To add some little bit of emotion, we are playing song. Nani, volume. It's some music. ठीक है, तो काम करते हुए डिस्ट्रैक्ट ना हो इसीलिए हम गाना बजा रहे हैं. एंड आई लव दिस सॉन्ग. बीट आएगा तो अच्छा लगेगा. बाय गाइज. आई एम थिंकिंग कि जितना भी अनवांटेड थिंग्स है लाइक स्टेशनरी मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स एंड ऑल दिस, इट्स लाइक मैरीगोल्ड. सो हम लोग अभी रेडी हो गए हैं. सो टू गो टू डिपार्टमेंट एंड ऑल्सो टू गिव इंटरनल इज एट 1:30 एंड राइट नाउ इट्स 12:05 एंड वी हैव पैक्ड ऑलमोस्ट. डोंट वांट टू शो यू द सिचुएशन बिकॉज इट इज़ कम्प्लीटली मेसी. मैं आप लोग को मैं रूम दिखा रही हूँ कैसा दिख रहा था एंड क्या दिख रहा है. दिस वॉज माई टेबल और ये मेरा कैलेंडर था. अच्छा मैंने हर एक मंथ का मैंने बनाया था. एंड कैन यू सी कितना पैक्ड मंथ था मेरा, कितना पैक्ड सेमेस्टर था ये. या इट वॉज. एंड ये मेरा वॉल था, कुछ ऐसा दिखता है. फैन. ये था हमारा रूम. अभी थोड़ी देर में ये पूरा खाली हो जाएगा. वी आर नॉट श्योर कि कब तक हम इसे खाली कर पाएंगे, but we'll try to do as soon as possible. So people, we have done with our things. Now we are going back so that we can go and keep our luggage there in KC. And we have to take our iCard so that they will identify us that yes, we are a student of PU. And this is our luggage. We will go and take it. Keep recording. Chalo. You have to walk. I will go. Okay? So basically I wanted to say is that like every year in PU you have to change your hostel. I don't know why they do this, but for me it's really hectic because सारा सामान एक बार से उठा करके दूसरे हॉस्टल में जाना, I think it's pretty much difficult. And I'm also curious to know that क्या ये सभी यूनिवर्सिटी में होता है? If yes, do let me know in the comment section. I will feel like I'm not the only one who is doing that. So yeah, that's how it goes. I also would like to thank my roommate. She was very kind and she was so kind with me for the entire year. And I would like to also thank my hostel mates. They were so good. Not only my neighbors, like there are many of them. I can't mention their name. Like yeah, it will be too unfair if I will start mentioning the name because I know I will miss some of them. So yeah, thank you so much each and every one of you like for making this year so good. My second year was so good. We all hostel mates enjoyed a lot, but I was unable to capture each and everything. As you know, some just become memories, some you just can't capture, and so that's our memory in my head. I can't just bring it back to here. So yeah, like abba suno usko. Yeah, that was so good. I really love each and every one of you. So yeah, I will love being your hostel mate once again. So yeah friends, that's it for today. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you on the flip side.